Hello guys, welcome back. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. We are going to do a Camille Rose protein treatment. So let's jump right in. This is my first time trying this product, so I wanted to do it with you guys. So this is my before hair. My problem areas is the fact that my hair is pretty frizzy on its own. I have a lack of clumping. My hair is color treated, not necessarily a problem area. It just requires more work. And then I have occasional breakage. So protein treatments are supposed to help with all of those things. So I figured that would be a reason to try this product. It retails for, I believe, $17.99. I picked mine up at Sally's because I don't think they had them at like Target or Walmart or anything like that. So let's start the process. Okay, so I split my hair into 4 sections. The product smells really nice. It reminds me a bit of green tea. And the product is thick, but kind of has a little bit of drag to it once you put it on your fingers and warm it up. So it's like the perfect texture. It's not too thick because it moves through the hair very well, and it's not thin enough that it'll run down your hand as soon as you pick it up. And I really love the fact that I did not have to use gloves. I can just apply it to my hair and work it in. And I was really shocked by, as you can see from the look on my face, I was shocked by the results because it was really defining my hair and clumping my hair together. If you have frizzy hair like me, this may be something you should try. I really love the fact that you could see the product working, like it was clumping my curls together, it was defining my curls, and I could tell that it was already going to make a difference in my everyday hair care. So the protein treatment for me was already looking like a success by this point, just because my hair was doing things that it hadn't done in a while. And that was the main reason I wanted to do this, because I wanted my hair to get back to how it originally was. So I went ahead and I added the product to the rest of my hair. It didn't take long at all. I made sure I worked it into every single section, on every single strand, and from root to tip. It didn't take long even still with doing that, because the product had really great slip and it was very easy to apply. I had absolutely no trouble with it. And my hair didn't get hard at all. Even once I applied it totally, no part of my hair was hard or dried up. And then after the 20 minutes that I let it sit on my hair, I didn't have any issues. So I really love that. One thing I wish I would have done was sit under the dryer. I didn't sit under the dryer. It's definitely an option, but I think next time I definitely will, because I really loved my results, and I feel like I would have loved them that much more if I would have done that. So the next time I do the treatment, I will be sitting under the dryer. Once I rinsed everything out, I was really surprised because my hair looked like it usually does. My curls were clumping together better, and over time, because this is pre-recorded, I haven't had as much breakage. My hair detangles easier, and I don't know if that's what it aids you in, but it really helped me with my breakage. And I really love that. It helped with my clumping, it helped with my frizz. So I definitely recommend this product. After I rinsed it out, I did go ahead and give myself a braid out, and I do have a video for that. And my braid out came out amazing, and I usually hate braid outs. So I feel like the foundation of the protein treatment really helped in that. And I'm so sorry I'm out of focus here, but you can still see how well my hair clumped together. So I just decided to keep these clips in. I want to really thank you guys for watching my videos and constantly supporting me. It means so much to me. And thank you so much for helping me grow this channel. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. Below if you've tried this product, because I'm definitely recommending it to everybody. Until next time, I'll talk to you guys later. Have a good one. Bye.